Hi, my name is Shreyas S Alva. I am an engineering graduate with the domain of computer science and engineering from the College of CIT Gubbi. So I joined QSpiders in the month of July, and it's November now, and I got placed right now. So overall, it was a very great journey that I had over here. So even from the on the first day, I had classes going on regarding all the technical stacks that I had chosen, and it was a very good experience that I had over here. Mainly the teaching staffs, they were very supportive, and they had helped me a lot to where I am now. And along with that, we had to do presentations daily, which made me improve my skills, and which also made me improve my communication in order to crack this interview and all the other stuff. And overall, it was very helpful for me, and it made me improve my technical skills along with my confidence in giving interviews, as I had to attend mock interviews over here. And yeah, so right now I got placed in a company with a package of 6 LPA. Thank you.